Dear aspiring entrepreneur, this is Luca. I wanna explain you what are customer journeys and why they are so important for every online entrepreneur. Um, that if you have some questions, you can ask us here below in the description, anything you want. So first of all, what are customer journeys? Customer journeys are the process that your customers, can I say, are running before deciding if they want to buy from you or not. What happens is that every prospect online is having a different path in his journey online, and everybody wants to have a personalized shopping experience. So that means that all users online, they want to do what they want to do. I mean, some of them are always in a hurry. Some of them want to take it easy. Some of them wants a lot of information. Some of them wants to go direct to the point. So they're not the same. Everybody is different. So what you have to consider in order to be effective with them, you have to consider the fact that you have different touch points with them. That some of them can know you, for example, through Facebook. Some of them might know you through LinkedIn, through YouTube, and so on. Some of them wants to look at reviews, reader reviews. Some of them wants to have a look at video testimonials, for example. What happens is that you have to be ready for all the different options, and you need a different I cannot say a specific answer for each of their questions. So if they want video testimonials, you have to run a page where you have got video testimonials. If they want to know new providers through LinkedIn, you have to be present on LinkedIn, and so on. So once you've got the information about what are your typical customer journeys, the customer journeys of your prospects, what happens is that you are able to take the first decision, that is, what are the channels where you want to invest the most. For example, you want to invest more in Facebook, more in YouTube, more in LinkedIn, or all of them. Then you decide what are the marketing and sales funnel that you want to use to convert those visitors. Because at the end they are, I can say, using their touch points, but always you wanna build a predictable journey for them. An effective journey, but also a predictable journey, and that is the funnel, the process that you design in order to help them to get through all the different steps they need to make a conscious decision, but at the same time help you to sell more online at the end. So this is the ideal customer journey. The customer journey can really improve your performance, at the same time reducing the cost of your budget online, since they can really help you to save money on wrong channels, on wrong funnels, on wrong strategies. Okay, if you want to become an online entrepreneur, the next step you have to do is to ask information to Digital Coach to become a digital entrepreneur. We have a program that is called Digital Scale Up. This is a perfect program for you to learn and to apply to your business, to apply through our implementation coaching, group coaching each week, to apply digital marketing actions, digital sales actions, online marketing strategies actions, and then management and recruiting, online recruiting strategies, and so on. Everything that you need to build and to scale your future online business. We are waiting for you. Ask for a free one-to-one consulting session. Bye bye, Luca.